Welcome back, everyone, to your stimulus update and daily news report for today. Now, we've been talking a lot about Social Security and retirement on this channel, and on that topic, we have to talk about a new bill. It's essentially the Secure Act 2.0. Now, we talked about this a long time ago. We spoke about this over a year ago. My OG fans will remember this was even before the pandemic, and now this brand new version of this bill is making its way through Congress and rapidly, and this could be passed rather soon. And we're going to be talking about how it affects your retirement and what it can mean for you. So stay tuned in this video. Let's get started and dive right into the news. But before we do, as always, do a couple things for me. Number one, make sure you do drop a big thumbs up on this video, smash the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you have not already, do consider becoming a subscriber today. Click that big red button as well as the notification bell as well. That will actually notify you when I do post a brand new video. We post videos every single solitary week on this channel. This is your one-stop shop for everything in regards to news, politics, and stimulus happening in this country. Once you do those few things for me, we can get started and dive right in. So just the other day, lawmakers in the House Ways and Means Committee passed the sweeping retirement reform bill known as the Secure Act 2.0, and this is designed to boost the average American, yes you, your retirement savings. It includes a plethora of provisions designed to put more money in your pocket. Chairman Richard Neal, Democrat from Massachusetts, and Representative Kevin Brady, a Republican from Texas, said in a joint statement, quote, "This legislation expands automatic enrollment, simplifies many retirement plan rules, and strengthens small businesses' ability to offer workplace retirement plans to make it easier for Americans to plan for their golden years." They continued saying, quote, "We are now one step closer to improving Americans' financial security and hope to see this measure move through Congress and be signed into law in short order." Now, the first phase of the Secure Act was implemented in 2019 after passing both chambers of Congress handedly. It contained provisions to increase access to retirement plans, to incentivize small businesses to offer them to workers, and to give greater flexibility to account holders when it comes to saving and withdrawing later in life. So the Secure Act 2.0 essentially builds on these policies and builds on the foundation that was already put in place, and it makes it a lot more effective. This is because lawmakers are fully aware that people might have had to tap into their savings to weather the economic effects of the coronavirus pandemic, or perhaps they adjusted their saving strategy to boost their disposable income. It would significantly alter the retirement landscape, and now it's on its way to the House of Representatives. So let's take a look at how the Secure Act 2.0 will affect you. Let's take a look at 4 different ways. Number 1, it would increase the required minimum distribution age. Secure Act 2.0 for the second time since 2019 would increase once again the RMD age. In the original Secure Act, retirees could begin delaying RMDs or required minimum distributions from age 70 and a half to age 72. Now, in the new bill, the age when retirees must begin drawing from tax-deferred retirement accounts would increase to 73 in 2022, 74 in 2029, and age 75 in the year of 2032. This means if you have a retirement account such as a Roth IRA, you won't be forced to withdraw your money anymore at an earlier age. You could let your money grow and compound exponentially, even more so. And when you do start hitting those years, your money starts growing rapidly, very quickly, due to the phenomena known as compound interest. Number 2, the Secure Act 2.0 would raise the catch-up contribution limits. This is another way that the act will help Americans save for retirement by increasing the catch-up contributions for older workers. Under current law, at the age of 50 for 401k and 403b plans, participants may save an additional $6,500 per year. Under simple plans, participants may contribute an additional $3,000 per year. And for IRAs, the catch-up contribution limit is $1,000. The IRS periodically increases the catch-up contribution amounts, but none are indexed to inflation. The Secure Act 2.0 would keep the age 50 catch-ups and allow new ones starting in 2023. 401k and 403b plans, an additional $10,000 per year at age 62, 63, and 64. For simple plans, an additional $5,000 per year at age 62, 63, and 64. For IRAs, no change to the $1,000 catch-up limit, though it would index the amount by inflation. The new limits on catch-up contributions would now be indexed starting in the year of 2023. And the third way the Secure Act 2.0 will help your retirement is it will allow companies to make the 401k match contributions based on student loan payments. The Secure Act 2.0 would permit employers to make matching contributions to an employee's retirement plan, even if the worker isn't saving themselves. In the bill, workers facing the decision to pay off student loans or save for retirement could have a portion of their student loan payments matched by their employer and contributed to their retirement plan. This is fantastic news, especially for people my age, my generation, who was being faced with the crushing level of student debt. We're now nearly $2 trillion in student debt. And so many Americans my age do have to face the problem of whether or not to save their money for necessities and pay their bills, such as student loans, or if they could put them towards their retirement for later years down the road. And so they often have to make that choice, and now this would greatly help them. Now, do keep in mind that matching contributions are often voluntary, so it would be up to the plan as to whether to adopt this provision should it become law. Especially for smaller employers, record keeping could become burdensome. Number 4, it would expand use of after-tax contributions to Roth accounts. Under current law, SEP, SEP, and simple retirement plans cannot have a designated Roth IRA account. In the Secure Act 2.0, participants of these plans could have the option to make after-tax Roth contributions within the plan. The bill would also require participants to make catch-up contributions to a Roth account in a 401A or 403B and a 457B plan. Further, under these plans, employers may allow employees to elect matching contributions in a Roth account versus pre-tax. So there are some very significant changes under the Secure Act 2.0. Do know that nothing has been signed into law just yet. As legislation does move through the Congress, it could be modified, or perhaps it doesn't become law at all. Should the Secure Act 2.0 eventually pass, consider how these changes may impact you and what kind of planning opportunities exist. Just because you have more flexibility doesn't mean it makes sense to use it. For example, the current RMD is the age of 72, but that doesn't mean that all retirees should delay drawing from their retirement accounts until then. Expanded use of Roth accounts might offer new options. However, higher income earners should think twice about participating, particularly in light of the proposed tax increases. This bill should make its way through Congress rather smoothly, so do take a look at what's in front of you and how to plan better for your retirement based on these new changes. Perhaps this doesn't impact you specifically, but it could very well impact your child or your grandchild down the road. We'll be sure to update you guys right here on this channel if this bill does pass the Congress. It does have to make its way through both the House and the Senate, and so we'll be keeping our eyes peeled on this bill. But this one does look like it will likely pass. This one has a good probability of passing. More updates and developments will be coming soon. If you did enjoy this video, if you did get value out of it, as always, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop a big thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't already, do become a subscriber today. Click that big red button, as well as the notification bell as well. And if you guys would like some free stocks, all on me, all free, use my links down below in the description. You can sign with Robinhood and or Webull and actually get some free stocks, some valued up to thousands of dollars in some cases. Do let me know what stocks you do get. And if you guys would like to follow me on Instagram, I am on Instagram. My handle is @LoganCohn, @LOGANKOHN. There is the handle right there on your screen. I look forward to connecting with you guys there. And I hope you did enjoy this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Take care for now.